Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the Little Fir Tree Solutions from NCERT English Marigold Book 4. So let's start with first question. Tick the correct answer. First one. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but a goat came along and ate them. All the leaves got wet in rain. A man stole them. The correct answer is a man stole them. Then second one. The fir tree was sad because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle-like leaves, because it was very short, and the correct answer is because it had needle-like leaves. Now we will see third number sentence. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because the goats came and ate them up. A man stole them. The gold leaves broke. Correct answer is a man stole them. Now we will see word building. By changing the circle word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. One example already has done here for us. A number example. I carry a light back to school every day. The word light is circled. We want to write opposite word of that circle word and rewrite the sentence. So the opposite word of light is heavy. So see the example sentence. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Same way we have to do given 4 sentences. Now see B number sentence. Rina won the race. Won word is circled. So we want to use opposite word of won, and that is lost. By using lost word instead of won, we want to rewrite the sentence. So the sentence is Rina lost the race. Now see C number sentence. I love eating vegetables. Opposite of love is hate. So the answer is I hate eating vegetables. For better understanding, you can observe remaining 2 sentences here. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un, or am in. In this given answer sheet, we will read all the opposite words. Happy. Here we have used un. Unhappy. Polite. Impolite. Seen. Unseen. Proper. Here we have used I am. Improper. Lucky. Unlucky. Possible. Impossible. Important. Unimportant. Perfect. Imperfect. Healthy. Unhealthy. Safe. Unsafe. Patient. Impatient. And pure. Impure. You should read and read these all the opposite words to learn better. Now we will see one passage here, and in that passage some words has written with blue. So we want to give the opposites of the words in blue and rewrite the passage. But before that we should find out the opposite words of these blue words. So let's start from first blue word, that is loved. So its opposite word is hated. Then go out, come in. Then come. For come, go. And then everywhere. For everywhere, nowhere. Then down, up. Lost, found. Nowhere, everywhere. Crying, laughing. And last one is happy, sad. Students, you want to rewrite this passage in your notebook by using these opposite words. Now we will see next question in Let's Write. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. In this question, 2 small passages has given here, and you want to find out where you can use capital letters in these passages and rewrite them. Now here I will show you answer passages where I have made changes by using capital letters somewhere. So you should see that properly and rewrite these passages with these changes in your notebook. Now we will see next activity in Let's Talk. Look at the picture below. In the yellow box there are 8 things. 6 of them you can see in picture. The other 2 you cannot see. Write down the 4 things that you can see. So students, we want to observe that yellow box, and on that yellow box there are 8 things. From that 2 things we cannot see, and other 6 things clearly we can see. So we want to write that 4 things which we can see. And one more work we want to do. We want to describe this picture in 5 to 6 sentences. Now see the answer. That 4 things which we can see already I have written here. That is ball, bananas, birds and water. Now downside I have described this picture with some simple sentences. So see the first sentence. A brother and a sister have come to a park to enjoy picnic. Then second one, there is a beautiful lake. And third one sentence is 2 ducks are swimming in the lake. And fourth one is there are also many green trees in the park. This way we have described the given picture. Same way you want to describe and write this answer in your notebook. Now we want to enjoy this passage in fun time, and we should learn some little ideas from this passage. So let's start. Ajit loved flowers. He always wanted to have a garden for himself. Mohan, his friends, gave him an idea. He said, "Why we can't have a garden in a dish?" Ha ha ha, Ajit laughed. A garden in a dish? Yes, dish gardens are tiny gardens planted in a shallow dish. We must first put sand, manure and pebbles in a dish. Plant very tiny plants in it and place the dish on the windowsill. See students, Ajit loves flowers, so Ajit wanted a small garden for himself. But he didn't have any place to make garden, so his friend Mohan gave him one advice. He said to Ajit, "Why don't you make your garden in small dish?" So Ajit laughed and said, "A garden in a dish?" But Mohan said, "Yes, why not? You can plant there a small plants and place that dish on the windowsill. For that you can use sand, manure, pebbles in that dish." Now one more activity has given here. We should read that. What is that? Glass breaks easily when it is dropped. Do you think? A mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books or your plastic water bottle can break easily? Circle the things that can. See students, very easy activity. You just want to circle that things which can break easily. So you should observe properly and think which things can break easily and circle that things. Yes, correct. Spoon, flower pot can easily break. Plastic water bottles, books, cup, table cannot break easily because they are made up of plastic and wood. Now one more activity is there. Which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? In given box there are many actions has given. You just want to divide them into happy or unhappy actions. Yes student, you have no any tension because this answer also I have given here. You just want to read it properly and learn it. Action that make people happy. First one, respecting elders. Second one, being polite. Third one, playing with friends. Fourth one, visiting a sick friend. Then fifth one, caring for pets. Now we will see actions that make people unhappy. First one, not saying thank you. Second one, not sharing. Third one, watching television. Fourth one, all day telling lies. Then fifth one is being greedy. Students, we should always follow actions that make people happy. Now very interesting activity because here we want to do 3 works. First one observation, second one reading, and third one is writing. So let's start to read. There was a thick jungle with beautiful green trees and birds. Koel was singing happily. Suddenly, she heard someone crying. It was her friend, the peacock. She flew to him and asked, "Why are you crying?" Then Peacock said, "I hate myself. I have such ugly feet." Students, did you remember this story? So, you want to write some poem lines on the basis of this story. For you, I have already written some lines on the basis of that story. Let's read that. Do not weep on stupid things. They will make you more weak. Be happy for what you have got. You never know what others have not. Now let's make a word tree. This is how you will do it. So first step is take a long green sheet of paper or newspaper. Roll it like this as shown in the picture. Now in second one step, hold the roll of paper firmly in one hand and cut 4 slits from the top to halfway down the roll. Here also you want to observe the picture and do as shown in the picture. Now see the next step. Still holding the roll of paper firmly, bend back the 4 sections of the cut paper and then pull out it strongly. Do this by pulling up the cut section slowly and carefully from the center of the roll. See how nice looking in the picture. Students, what are you thinking? Is it fir tree? Write words related to leaves on the trees and make a word tree. Now make sentences with these words. See student, for this tree leaves, you can write the words pretty, gold, stole or needle-like leaves. Okay? And you can use these words to make sentences. For example, I have used here pretty word for leaves of tree. Then from that pretty word you can make sentence. For example, Smita is a pretty girl. This will be the sentence. Same way you want to use words for these tree leaves and make list of many words. You can make a tree of these words and make sentences on each word. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.